to similar channels. Today I am going to bring you very useful LED touch light in cars. And will you encounter those problems in your cars? You feel the inside of the airbox is too dark, or you feel the smaller lighting range in the car and it's too dark, can find something. So I recommend this LED touch light to use. You can see this is the package like this. Okay, let's go ahead and open the box. And this is the package. And when we open the package, we will get the LED touch lights and a magnet piece and double side tape and metal disc and a USB cable. So this is the LED touch light. You can compare with my hands. It is pretty small and cute, right? So it does not occupy the space in your car. And then let's take a close look at these products. You can see there are 6 lamping inside, and itself is made of transparent PVC material, so it can make the LED touch light dustproof and waterproof and not easy to scratch. You just click the lights, it can be lit up, right? And when you do it again, it will be closed. So it is very easy to use, very convenient to use. And you can see through this translucent cover, it can make the light not very dazzling. And about this LED touch light, we also have 3 colors. And in my hand, this is the blue colors, and this is the white colors. And about this is the purple color. And let me show you how to install these LED touch lights. When you receive the package, you will receive a magnet disc. You can see there has a plastic piece on it. You just tear it off and put this side to the back of the LED touch lights. Just like this. And then the metal disc and the double side tape, you just tear off the double side tape and stick the double side tape to the metal disc. And the other side you can stick in any corner of your car, such as car doors or the armrest box or storage box, because it looks very small, right? So you can easily pass it on any corner you want to install this. And this product is not only used in car, you can also use it indoor. You can install in the kitchen or the wardrobe and the drawers. It is very convenient. And then you can see it comes with a USB cable, and this is the LED touch light. And you can see this place here is a charging port, and then you just use this USB cable to connect this charging port like this, and then they can be charged. About this product, it can charge by 40 minutes, and then it can use 1.5 hours. So do you like this product? In my appearance, I think this is a pretty good product. So if you like this product or these videos, could you give me a thumbs up? And then I will bring you more cars discovery in the future. And then if you can interested in it, please follow with me. And so see you next time.